Let's check out Disney's new Pixar Place Hotel. We're entering from the parking garage, like most guests will, and we're kind of starting at the beginning of the Pixar story, where we are seeing these giant animation sketches of Pixar characters. This is how they start pen on paper, like traditional, and then they go to the wireframe. So we're kind of just getting the development of the Pixar story and our first steps here into the Pixar Place Hotel with some of Pixar's most familiar characters. Hey, look, it's Edna Mode over there. And around the corner, actually, we get our first live Pixar character in the hotel. This is where Joe Gardner from Soul will play. Continuing on in the lobby from Joel Gardner's piano, we're going to start seeing some more full images of Pixar characters at this point, especially surrounding the check-in desk for the Pixar Place Hotel. Just some of the classic characters, the colors, and then right there behind, nice little seating area in this check-in lobby portion of the hotel. But you can also see things like these displays of maquettes from Pixar characters. And don't just look in the display cabinets. Look down on the ground, too, and you might find a Pixar character or two down there as well. But for the really, really big show, it's here in the front lobby. And that, if you come in the very front door, is where you're going to see Luxo Jr. and the Pixar Ball underneath this amazing skylight and mobile with kind of representations of the beginning of Pixar characters in their original kind of sketch forms. And now to see another completed Pixar character, let's head up to the third floor recreation area where we can meet Bing Bong. That's right, the Inside Out character is meeting people here at the Pixar Place Hotel. Let's head back in and check out some of the rooms now, starting in one of the suites. Get an idea of just what you've got to expect if you're coming in here. Quick look at the bathroom there. And this is the living room area in one of the suites. And then let's head back into the bedroom here for a guided tour.
So in all of our bedrooms, we tried to, we decided to make the mural the main focus of our rooms. So we worked with Pixar, we picked iconic IP in their kind of aha moments. And then we did them over a kind of a rainbow array of color, and we lit them from the chair rail below. So at night you can turn down the lights and have just the mural light up. Then everything else just kind of wanted to fall back and play more of a supporting role. So you'll notice the bedding has the Pixar ball. If you look closely, the area rug is the lamp. This was actually a grate up at the Pixar headquarters. And what we did was we scaled it up and turned it into an area rug. So this piece of art was done specifically for us by Tasha Sunart, who we may have met downstairs. She's from Pixar, she's an animator. And it's depicting the animation cycle of walking. And she did it cleverly using different characters moving through the clothes. You can also see the lamp in the lamp above. And then each one of our signature suites has a small kitchen and a moquette niche. This one features Ratatouille. So these were actual moquettes that were used from the film. And like I said, the other rooms will have different IP. We have a refrigerator, microwave, and then the island. And then this room really depicts what a standard room would look like. So it's very much like the one you were just in, but it's got 2 queen beds and a sleeper flip bed, so you can sleep 5 in here. We've still got the mural. What we have in this room that's special is the scaled down lamp, which I think is adorable.